Hi, in this video we will see how we can compare two files or folders using Beyond Compare. You can see my desktop where I have installed Beyond Compare. So this is the Beyond Compare icon. Just double click after installing the Beyond Compare software. You can just double click on this. So once the software opens up, you can see that there are many options here to compare. First one is folder compare, folder merge, folder sync, text compare, text merge. Then you have table compare, hex compare, mp3 compare, picture compare, and so many other options. So here in this video we will see how we can compare. First we will take up text compare. So suppose you want to compare two text files, you can click on text compare. So you can see that there are two windows opened here. One is on the left side and on the right side. So here you can select your source, the first file which you want to compare with, and then the second file which you want to compare here. So just select the two files and then you can see the difference between the two. So to select the files, you can click on this folder here. So once you click on the folder on this, so you can see I have two files, source file and destination file, which you want to compare. So just select the source file and then go to the destination second file and select the destination. So these are the two files which I want to compare. So these are kind of similar file, but there are some small differences. As you can see, the differences are highlighted in red color here. So these are the differences. There are one difference here in the first line, and there is a second difference here in this line. So this is how the difference of the two text files is seen on the Beyond Compare software. So suppose you want to see only the differences in the files, you can click on the diffs here on diff button. If you click on the diff button, you can see only the different lines which are there in the two files. So if you click all the contents will be shown along with the differences. You can also use the next selection to select the differences here, and the previous selection. This is it's like for selecting we can keep on selecting for the differences to scroll to the different lines. Also we can see at the bottom left corner here, we can see it shows there are two differences here. It also is highlighted in the left bottom corner that there are two differences in these files. So this is all about text compare. Now we'll go to see folder compare. So for that you can go to home again and then click on folder compare. So once you click on folder compare, so in folder compare I selected the required files from the folder from the my folder structures. So this is where I have selected the source folder and the destination folder. So they are similar, but there are some differences in the files. So you can see that the differences are highlighted in red color here. So the difference is like the original file is having 32 bytes of size, and this is having 41 bytes. So there is a difference in this file. And then this Excel file is having a 8714 bytes, and this is 8214 bytes. So there is some difference in the size of the files. So it shows some difference in folders. So this is the difference between the folders when you are comparing the two folders. The contents are compared with respect to the size of the files and the content. So you can then make out that there is a difference in these two folders. So this is all about folder compare. So this is how we could see the text compare and the folder compare. Beyond Compare provides other options like folder merge, then folder sync, and then these options. So these options are not covered in this video. The only options which covered are text compare and folder compare are covered in this video. I hope this video is helpful to all. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.